Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about section 7, 8, 9 and 10 of Indian Evidence Act. So let's get started. Relevancy of facts contains section 5 to section 55. I have made earlier videos on definition on section 5 and section 6. In this video I'm going to talk about section 7, 8, 9, 10. So first of all, if you are new to this video, this line is very important for you as it read out section 5 to 55 derived certain situations where a fact will be considered as relevant during the proceeding in the court. Let's state that section 5 to section 55 tells us about certain situations, and if any act came into that situation, that means that fact will be considered as relevant in the proceeding of a court. So let us talk about section 7. It starts with the facts which are the occasion, cause or effect of fact in issue. So here are some of the essential ingredients of this section, that is occasion, cause, effect, opportunity or state of things. So if any fact is come under these kind of ingredient, that means that fact is relevant in the proceeding of a court under section 7. So let us take an example to understand this kind of ingredient. This blue square is a water tanker and these two oval shape is the body of a person, and let's say this is B and this is A. The red one is A. Okay, now these two have conflicts between each other, and there was a situation where they were both alone. After that something happened and A died, due to which B was prosecuted for the constitution of murder of A. Okay, so here we will consider this essential ingredient in this case. So the occasion is here a perfect opportunity, as we can say occasion and opportunity. Here the occasion is the perfect arrangement as the presence of water tanker. Cause is any conflict between A and B. Effect will be the death of A, and opportunity will be loneliness of A and B together and there is no one present at that time. A state of thing is the relevancy of any of the principal fact which is in issue. So these 5 things, the essential ingredient, is present in this example. This was an example related to the Spencer Cooper case. You can find it on Google in detail. So let us come to section 8. It starts with motive, preparation and previous or subsequent conduct of a person, which is a fact will consider as relevant if it comes under this section. So these are the essential ingredient: motive, preparation, conduct. So here, if any fact which consists or which shows the preparation or motive or conduct of a party, then that fact will be considered as relevant under section 8 of Indian Evidence Act during the proceeding of the court. Let's say R and B are the two parties. They have conflict between each other. B want to take revenge from R, so he start preparing for taking the revenge. He decided to murder R. So in order to murder R, he buy a knife or gun. So here these two ingredients has been fulfilled, as the motive is of B here is that of taking revenge, and the preparation here of B is buying the gun or knife. The point to be noted here is that both motive and preparation is not an offense until they are committed, as you cannot say by looking at any person that he has motive or not, or seeing that person that is buying something, and you cannot blame any person that he going to do anything wrong until he commits. So preparation and motive is no offense until it is committed. Here the third point completes that the conduct. If B murders R by knife or gun or injured R, so here in this case the conduct of B will also be relevant, whether subsequent or previous. Section 9. Let us come to section 9, that is fact necessary to explain or introduce relevant facts. So here are certain essential ingredients. It simply says that any fact which is necessary for the relevant fact, that will consider as relevant under section 9. So these are essential ingredients: necessary to introduce or explain, which supports or rebut the relevant fact, which establish the identity of person or thing, which fix the time or place, or which says the relation between the parties. So any of the fact which shows these 5 ingredients to be fulfilled, that means that fact will also consider as relevant under section 9. B committed murder of A, that means any fact which explain the act of B, or any fact which support or rebut the act of B, or anything that establish the identity of B, or which fix the place or time relation between A and B. These all facts will consider as relevant under section 9. Section 10 is basically related to conspiracy. Let us read it out. The thing said or done by a conspirator in reference to a common design. It simply says that anything said or done or written in reference to common intention, after when that intention was first entertained. That means the intention must be first entertained, only then after you can claim that the fact is relevant under section 10. One of the things that you will notice when you will read the paragraph, it starts with the line that where there is reasonable ground to believe that 2 or more persons have conspired together to commit an offense, or an actionable claim, So here are 2 words, offense and actionable claim. These 2 words defines that offense means the criminal and the actionable claim means the civil. This section applies to both criminal and civil matters. Although Indian Evidence Act tells us how to take evidence in both matter, criminal and civil. So if you found something new in this video, share this video to the needy person. If you found something new, tell me, or if you want to ask related question, feel free to ask. I'm going to make another video. Subscribe for this channel. I will meet you in another video. Till then, goodbye.